people have problems with lighting effects and white balance when creating a profile picture for social media. I used the REVE AI tool, which is similar to Nano Banana, but there are some differences between them. That the most important one is that REVE gives you more daily credits. And it's important. But before we starting, if you want to learn the rules about having a good profile picture, I made a video about it that I linked it here, and let's go. Most of you want a profile picture for your career. I suggest checking the top creators' profile pictures in your field. For example, if you're a gamer, get inspiration from the top gamers' photos. If you're a financial trader, maybe a logo is the best choice for you. I'm not a logo specialist, but you can create logos with Canva. That is simple, fast, and well designed. Let's take the steps for our profile picture. Take your photo from a good angle and try to use good lighting. If you don't have lighting equipment, don't worry, I made a DIY softbox video you can watch here. If you cannot make a softbox, use natural lighting. Take your photo outdoors or next to a window. And now search on Google or Pinterest for a profile picture style you like. Go to app.reve.com, upload your photo and add the reference image. Type what you want in the prompt, like better lighting, effects, retouching, color tuning, or even a new background. If the result isn't what you want, so select the closest image and the original photo, type the new prompt, and generate again. Finally, upscale the image and you're done. You are watching part of my journey learning videography from scratch. If you are interested, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you later.